Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make text overlay in CapCut for PC. Alright, to make the o- text overlay, you are just going to make the overlay before. So just select this black screen and you can add the text, select the bold text and change the text. For example, sorry, like that. And you can also add the animation. Loading. Just wait. Alright, select this. Wait, 3. And after that, you are just going to export. Yeah, click export. Okay, and select the project and select your photo or video you like to edit. For example, select this one and import that's created. So video record here and add as an overlay. So select that and just plain. So it's going to select the model overlay. Yeah, it's called overlay. Or alright. Alright. I'm select the overlay. Like so. And this is the final result you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.